This video, we're going to translate English sentences into mathematical equations and then solve those equations. So we're going to be looking for the subject and the verb and the predicate nominative here. If you ever diagram sentences, they're going to be in a sentence structure like so: subject, verb, predicate nominative, with this being a linking verb here. And this is going to be left-hand side of my equation. And then this is going to be the equal sign, and this is going to be the right-hand side of my equation. If that diagramming of that sentence doesn't look familiar to you, that's okay. I'll do a little bit of it in this video, even though this is a math video. I'll do a little bit of the English stuff here. It'll make a connection for people that have diagrammed sentences here before. So these are going to be 6.3, numbers 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29. So the first sentence here is the sum of a number and 4 is 16. So there's my subject right there. There's my verb. There's my predicate nominative over here. The sum of a number and 4 is my subject, is my verb, 16 is my predicate nominative. So now we need to translate this. So the sum of a number and 4 is 16. So n plus 4 equals 16. And now we want to, they want us to use x as the variable. I'm sorry. So we'll call this x. X, there we go. And now we're going to, so that was the first part of what I need to write into my labs is that. And then I need to solve it. So if x plus 4 is equal to 16, then I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. And I get the answer that x is equal to 12. And 12 is my second box in my labs to fill in. All right. Next sentence, the product of a number and 9 is 36. So the product of a number and 9 is my subject. My verb is. My predicate nominative is 36. So again, the product of a number and 9 is 36. Go. And so let's translate that using x for the unknown. Product of a number and 9 is 36. Divide by 9. Hang on. This is your equation before I get too far for your first part. Now we're going to solve that. And x equals 4. All right, I won't diagram any more sentences. I think you get the idea. I'll just go ahead and start translating them straight into algebra and solving. So 15 less than 3 times a number is 21. So 15 less than 3 times a number is 21 is your first part. And then 3x minus 15 equals 21. Add 15 to both sides. We get that 3x is equal to 36. Divide by 3, and x is equal to 12. Three more problems left here. Eleven more than 3 times a number is 32. So 11 more than 3 times a number is 32. There's your first part. Oops. Yeah. 3x plus 11 is 32. Subtract 11 from both sides. 3x is 21. Divide by 3. And x is 7. A number increased by 8 is 2 less than twice the number. So the variable is used twice in this equation. A number increased by 8 is 2 less than twice the number. So there's my equation. And we're going to solve this. So negative x equals negative 10, x equals 10. And last problem for this video. A number increased by 11 is 2 times the sum of the number and 2. The number increased by 11 is 2 times the sum of the number and 2. So there's my equation for my first part. And then x plus 11 is going to be 2x plus 4. Negative x is equal to negative 7. X is equal to 7. Yep. All right, there we go. That's it for this video. Next time we will come back and solve some application problems that involve linear equations in one variable. So I'll explain more what a linear equation in one variable is in the video next time. But those are the types of equations we've been dealing with so far. So I'll see you for the next video.